share with you my L'Oreal Paris EverPure experience with the bone straightening shampoo and conditioner. And yes guys, I'm actually blown away by these two because I used to use Olaplex, which is much more pricier than this. And yes guys, only after 6 shampoos your hair is definitely going to be very much improved. And I wasn't sure, what to believe with this, but I decided to try anyway. And basically at first you use your shampoo and then you use your conditioner. I tend to use my shampoo and leave it in my hair for about 30 seconds after I basically foam it up, and then I use this conditioner for 3 minutes. And what's very interesting, the consistency of the conditioner is a little bit different than what you expect from a conditioner. It's actually a little bit more milkier, but I feel like with other conditioners you put in your hair, it actually sometimes weighs it down and has a lot of oil. Meanwhile with this one, you apply it and then you definitely start to feel how your hair are straightening up. And you guys see that I have a lot of highlights, right? So it is important to find a perfect solution yet affordable. So yes, I'm extremely pleasantly surprised with EverPure, and I hope that all of you would be able to experience it because you would see results right away. And I don't know how it is on dark hair, but on my blonde hair I really see the difference. Even when I brush my hair, less comes out, less breakage. Then yes guys, my ends are perfect. I had a haircut probably 2 months ago, and usually by this time my hair starts to brittle on a bottom, but not yet. So I have very high hopes that my hair actually will grow with this shampoo and conditioner by L'Oreal. And yes, I'm wishing you to get your own and try and see for yourself.